So at the end of daylight yesterday, I decided to trim. I had enough light to trim the trees. This one is a cogswall. This is our little mango hedge. Try and keep it short, and usually these little trees will produce like 30 or 40 fruit. But the cogswall season was over with, so I trimmed that. And this Neelam, I actually thought it didn't have any fruit. It's hard to see it from the other side because of potted plants, and this side we just normally don't walk on. This tree was very dense. It was hard to see anything until I started cutting the cogswall next door. So I saw fruit. This is one of them I just picked from this tree. This is really big for a Neelam for us. A lot of our Neelams are much smaller than that. So this tree revealed it's close to a dozen fruit after I took off a lot of the foliage. Of course, there's a lot of tree left to support these fruit. I didn't lose any fruit while trimming. I was really careful. And so anyway, we have a big benefit of getting some nice Neelam fruit that I don't know if I would have seen if I hadn't been trimming the tree next door. So anyway, trimmed 2 trees, a cogswall and a Neelam. The next tree in the line is a cogswall, and the next one is a Neelam. So I decided to sort of make an experiment out of this. These I trimmed yesterday, and these I'm going to wait at least a month before I trim these 2 trees. And so we'll see if the timing of the trimming affects how much fruit we get for 2019.